All right, good morning. My name is Alex with Redbeard Adventure, and this is another one of the videos trending in my brain that I figured I'd put together. So Megan and I have been drinking Bulletproof coffee a couple of times a week in the morning. We have been doing the keto diet, which is completely against kind of what we've eaten in the past. More plant-based diet. This is very, not heavy meat, but more meat than we're used to eating for the past few years. So anyway, Bulletproof coffee. So what I put in mine is MCT oil. So this is going to be Bulletproof coffee enough for 2 people. So it'll be about 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons of MCT oil, 2 tablespoons of Kerrygold grass-fed butter, and then we like cinnamon in our Bulletproof coffee, so we'll add a dash of cinnamon. So there's the butter, there's the MCT oil. Go ahead and put the dash of cinnamon in. And coffee. Should do it. Put a lid on it. Always you want a lid because hot liquids will go in a blender. Just blend it for a few seconds, just like that, and you are ready to go. So it's super creamy, super frothy. Definitely, I could have put a little more coffee, but definitely a latte style drink. Delicious, gets your brain moving, and good to go. That's how it is.